Hi, so my name is Khoa. So today I'm gonna discuss about what I have been doing for from the first of the year and until now. So discuss about challenging difficulties and how I get successful in AB Computer Science A course. At the first, it's starting out, which is simple. In this starting out, it includes many of the small topics. First one is the variables. It's only introduced how to use method before the name. Like age is the number, so we must use integer like this, and string for the name because name have letter like Khoa or something. So you must use string. The if else is also a no, simple topic too because like we just need to use if the condition and the so and else is opposite with this and the so boolean expression is seem simple too because you use the if else method to the boolean expressions like if the condition. So boolean is like true or false. So if condition this and the method will be true or method will be false like that. For loops is the first challenging challenge that I met because I felt that very difficult. For loops used to loop through the arrays but only one time. It's hard for me but I got it already because I use it a lot now. For the while loops, it's so hard. It loops forever until the condition is right. It's harder than for loops a lot and took more time for me to understand it all because I use it less than for loops. For the basic arrays, when I first saw basic array, I didn't understand anything and I made many mistakes, and it's a very big challenge for me. But now I already got it because this was the basic arrays and now I studying many new arrays. For the math class, it's only introduced me to some new class, new method, which is like absolute, random, some kind of that. String class is just a new way for me to use string with new method like equals contain substring length compared to. So starting out was easy for me, and we moved to OOP. OOP I felt it very hard for me because it's a very a like absolutely new experience for me. Like we need to make a character in game like that. So the first two topic is the constructor and the accessor and mutators. Two of this was the most basic and the most easiest topic in all of this. Uh, constructor is like this. We create notice in the main, and we need to create a another class like this. So this is the constructor here. We public the name whatever string and string. So yeah, this how the constructors and the accessory mutators like it's next to the constructor, and it's also easy too. For the 2D arrays here, I think I felt it very hard to understand But wow, I found it normal for 3 arrays. We uh we need to use two for loops in a when I solve, because like here it's one for loop. We loop we loop this thing, yeah, here, and no, another for loop here, and here. So, and we will create a integer with two, yeah, these 2D arrays, and five and three. Five, the first row is the first one is the rows, and the second is the columns. It's not that hard, but you need to read a lot and understand it. Move to the lesson, which is I found very hard, is the array list. Array list, first of, um, first of all, I found it hard, but then when I read it, I found it very easy. But it have many new methods to me, like in in those back topics we use it, like if we use for, we just need to write the name dot length, and in this we use for, we need to use dot size like this. So it's completely new, and wow, it's easy, but it contains many new methods. So when I did the test, I made many of the mistakes, and I'm working on it now to make the less mistake as possible. And that is what I have learned until now. Thank you.